Hi everyone, it's Lisa here. Welcome back to Crochet with Lisa. Today I'm going to show you how I block my granny squares. As you can see right here, I have one that's not yet been blocked. This one over here has been blocked and it is ready to come off of my foam. So I'm just going to remove these straight pins. These pins I use for my quilting and they are stainless steel and they don't rust. So that's what you need, would be a pin that does not rust. So we can see the difference between the one that has not been blocked and the one that's blocked. This granny square is supposed to be a 7.5 inch finished square. Right now, this one here is under 7 inches. This one over here measures at 7.5 inches. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So we use this square right here. First of all, I have this foam for my backing. This foam came from a foam flooring that I had bought for the area of our house where we had weights and things like that. When my kids were younger, I had a similar product, but it was more colorful. So this is really easy to use. You can also use your ironing board if it's thick enough that you can stick pins in it. So anything that you can pin your granny square to, you can use. I like this because it's waterproof, because we will have to use water. So I'm just going to start with a pin in this corner. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to start it over here at 7.5. I'm making sure my ruler is straight on my mat. I'm going to stretch this corner over to 7.5. I'll put some pins along this edge. Okay, then I'll come to this side. I'll take my pin and this time I'm going to move it up to 7.5. I'll do the same on this side. So now I'm going to go up to 7.5. So I'll try to make sure that this side looks straight along my ruler, and I have my ruler lined up at the edge of my, over here I have it lined up straight as well. Okay, so now I'm going to put it at the top, and it's at 7.5. So I will just put these pins in. Try not to put my head under the camera. Okay, so I have it all pinned in. The next step is to get a water bottle that you can spray from. So I will spray all of it. And then I will let that dry for a good 24 hours. And when the 24 hours are done, your block should be dry. And then when you remove it, you will have a nice blocked granny square. I hope you found this video useful. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and you can follow along with some other great projects. Have a great day and happy crocheting!